I will go through some view parameters from this side. Okay. Sets anyway we have discussed, right? Set, what is set, and this one.
Set.
Set also we discussed actually. If you want to display, for example, in a view we have 10 to 20 fields. You want to display only 5-6 fields in Explore. We use set.
Isn't it that's called field sets?
Field set, yeah. Sets and sets will get field set. Field set, yeah. We'll see. We'll go on the one. Yeah, V parameters. We'll start with V parameters. Today I will try to get. I mean, anyway, I have whole user ID password. Right? I will try to download videos and I will upload somewhere in Google Drive. I will share it with you. Okay? Just I will start with V parameters. Yeah, first I will show you how to import a view. I mean, this here we have option like add option. Next to alt we have one plus symbol. Here, if you want to import a table from new table from DB, will come here. Create view from table option will be here. Okay, just will select this one. Just we will select the required tables here. Yeah, I want this. This table will select and this will click on create this. This will create. It will create a table in the view section. Okay, so it will create all the tables here. If you previous all the tables here. It will, by default it will form with all. I'm addable, right?
What's that?
I'm addable.
Yeah, a little, but you were breaking up a little. Yeah.
I mean, we'll get all the views will be added here actually in left side navigation pan, like in view section. Okay. There's no added. I mean, this view is already there, but this events and this view is not there. That's why it's showing red color. And this view I think I made some changes here. It's showing red color. I mean, green color. This is to just add a view. I mean, by default, it will take view name as table name. This SQL table name is our table name in DB. Like its public is schema name in our DB, and this events is our table name in the DB. It will take almost same name. We can rename this one also. If you rename this view name, you should use same name in all other exports. Like,
No, but why, what is that events? What is that view events?
it's table name.
Okay.
This table name. This is table name of DB. This is in tables mostly. I mean, we'll call tables in as we use writing Looker.
Yeah.
View name similar to table name only. Looker. This name we are going to use in modeling. Like this name will refer in giants all these things.
Okay.
Okay. And by default it will create all the dimensions. Only one measure it will create. That is count measure. It will create only one measure count measure. It will take like some ID 4 to 5 fields which are like ID user ID first name last name. It will take by default. It will create a count measure.
Yeah.
Like how many rows are there in this table? It will get only one measure by default. If you want to create more measures, we need to create. I mean, this is how we'll create a view at a high level. And we first thing is a sets actually. View parameters will go one by one. But these topics I will go quickly set include and this. This I will try to find a video. I will upload in somewhere in Google Drive. Will share it today. Today evening. Yeah, set we use mostly if you have in this table we have almost uh, 10 to 20 fields, 20 fields. That you want to display only 5 to 6 fields in the set in the explore. So we will use only we'll create a set parameter for that one. We'll define the fields in the inside that set. Let me
Mm-hmm.
go to now. I will go to on R items explore. If you see in products group, we have almost 10 to 12 fields. If you want to display only brand, category, and name, you want to display, and count, you want to display only these fields, these 4 fields. What we'll do is we'll go to this product view. This is already added, which I'm going to. If you click here, it will directly go to view. You mouse over to any field, we will get. I mean, we'll see pivot, filter, and some gear symbol. If you click on gear symbol, it will show like go to LookML. If you click over there, it will directly go to our view, product view. Okay, this view is in the text code. Yeah, yeah. This I will go to this view. Just I will create a set parameter. Just give set parameter. I will select the parameter. I will give name for the product set. I will give yes. I will give name as product set. If I, inside this set, we need to define the fields actually. Which field we need to display. Like I want to display ID, category I want to display, and I want to display brand, and also count I want to display. These 4 fields only I want to display. Yes, here what I did is I have defined product set. Fields I have defined. Fields I need to display those fields I have selected here. These 4 fields. Okay. So I'm going back to this R items export. Just I'm refreshing this field to reflect the changes what we have done in other tab. What I need to do is I need to include this set in the products join actually. In this portion, I need to include set fields. I need to use field parameter, and I need to give set the product set I have here. Yeah, product set I could define this. I could give this product set which I created in products view. If you see now, I'm able to see only 4 fields which are defined in this set parameter. Here, what I did is just if you want to add more fields into that group, you can come directly to this set parameter. I mean set for parameter we can add like I want to display some department also. Just what I did is I have added set. Okay, if I go to this page, I refresh, it will directly add the department also into this group. And this I mean set will be used mostly for these scenarios. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, anyway, I mean, about this set, I have discussed. I mean, other things also. How we define it, explore level. How do we define at the model guide level? These things I have discussed.
Yeah.
On the code. Yeah, include and extends. I will discuss at the time. Both are interrelated. Yeah, for example, we have orders view. Okay, you want to extend this view. You want to add one more or two measures in other view. So you want to create a new view using like orders extension. You want to add some more fields there. You want to do some calculations in that view. Mhm. Just what I will do, I will create a new view, orders underscore extension. I will underscore extension. I will give a label. Okay. Yeah, it has taken name by default. What I will use is just I want to make use of existing orders. Just I will use extends parameter here. So I will give the orders view name. This is previous view name orders view. Just I am using, but here it's showing error like could not find a view named orders. Okay. Why it is showing error means we need to include that file in this file. We need to include this orders file. So we need to include this file into new extended file. So I'm copying file name from URL rsq.looklkfile. I'm going back to this extended view. Just I will what I will do. I will use include. Just I have given include statement and inside include I have given file name. If I use include, then only I can use this orders table to extend. In Looker, if you are using any file reference in other any file reference in other files, we should include that file name in the other file name. Like if we are using orders file related attributes or parameters in orders extension, right? In that case, we should include original view here. So what it will do is it will create a new view with name with the name orders extension. So here we can add dimensions and measures whatever we want. Like what I want to add some new dimension using user ID is there, right? So is complete is there. Just I want to override this in this new view. That we can do here. Here is complete is there directly. So if status is complete is there. I want to make it complete. C should be capital like that. I want to make will be overridden. This view is complete dimension which is there in original view or orders that will be overridden with these conditions actually. Like status is completed, status is cancel. We can override the
Yeah.
we can override this. We can use extend in this case, and we should use if you want to use these dimensions in explore. Okay, we should use this view in our model. Like here we should use our new model. In our model, we should, for example, here we have order set. If you use instead of order, we should use this order extension to reflect any changes from this new view. If you want to add new field from orders table, orders extension table, you should use this one. Okay. This is about this include and extends. This is one more extension required option is that I'm going to orders. If I give extension required, so I'm going back to a model. If I refresh means it should not allow us to use this orders. Yeah, it should not allow us to order typing. What we have given is I have gone. I have gone to this original view, orders original view. What I did is I have given one statement like extension required. I mean, yeah, I went to orders original view. Here what I did is I given extension required. Okay. In this case, what I'm telling to Looker is like if this orders view should be extended. When directly I cannot use this RS wave, it should be extended. That's what I defined over there. And if I go to in models, previously to build this R items explore, I have one explore defined, right? There I have used this orders explore. I sorry, orders view. But what I have defined is here I have defined it as extension required. If I validate this one, it will show some errors. The unknown view orders. Why? Because it's showing errors means we have defined this orders view as extension required. And in that case, what we need to do is we need to extend this orders view, and we should use this one. I mean, extension required mostly we don't use in for views actually. We can use this same parameter for explores also. Explores also to for reusing purpose. In that case, we use mostly extension required. Here we don't for use we don't use, but they have given option to give extension required, but we don't use mostly at view level. We can use at explore level. We can use. If I see extension requirements, if I, for example, in explore level, I have given extension required. If I go to other items explore and refresh, it will not be visible. Could not find the model or view expression. Why? Because I have given at explore level, I have given extension required here. If I give extension requirement, I need to extend this explore to view in the explore list. So for now, I'm commenting this one. Expression that I mean, anyway, when we discussing about explores, I uh, go through again the extension required at explore level. How we will create other views using existing explores. That I will cover. Here also in views also they have given right. They have given this option extension required option, but we don't use it mostly at a view level. For orders also I have removed. In this here I removed this extension required from orders view. Going back to explore. Just let me. Now it's not showing in the errors. Like why? Because here I have deleted. I have completed extension required from orders view. Now this is about extension required. Yeah, label. Here, if you want to, you can rename this order site. For example, in this explore we have 4 to 5 groups, right? For, we have orders group. Where is our orders group? Has down for it. Explore, just leave it from the. Yeah, for example, consider we have one group like products group is there and orders group is there. You want to rename this group. We can rename in multiple ways. For example, we can go to explore. We can go to specific giant. We can go to specific giant and we can give view label like order items. Orders. Just I'm giving for orders group. I'm giving here. Basically, this group name changing to orders group. And instead of giving here, I can go to just for now I'm commenting here. I can go to orders group. Sorry, orders orders view. Here I can give like label. I can give label. I'm giving like orders group. To, okay. Here there I have written my changes. Doing the orders here. The refresh it, it should show this view name. Sorry, this label which will be defined in the view. This will be showing orders group. I mean, we can relabel this group names in two different ways. One, we can define that we can define group in explore level. Also, we can define it view level. Mostly we define at explore level only, not at view level. Group names. And simply this label will be displayed in the Explorer field picker. I mean, Explorer. Yeah, from suggestions from this point only we should start actually.
Yeah. Suggestions is just like comments, right?
No, no. I mean, by in we have filters, right? In Explore, if you want to show suggestions or not, we'll use this option.
So, one other thing, Chandra, like how can I read what is there? I mean, you said like you have labels, you have suggestions, you have set like how would I know what exists? Is there any because you are showing me what is in there, but how would I know like how m- how many
Options. How many options we have? That kind of thing you want to know? Like that?
yeah, like you say suggestions, but how would I know suggestions exist?
Yeah. I mean, if you click here, if you click here, it will show all the view parameters here. I'm just next to this curly bracket. I'm clicking here. The left
Mm.
side, sorry, in the right side, if you observe, it will show all the dimension, drill wheels, extents, filter labels, parameter, derivative, set,
So these are the
register.
only ones which actually exist.
Yes, yes. If you
So I
click
can
here, it will
only.
directly go to documentation. It will show what exactly we will do.
Oh, can you send me this? Like, how can I? Because you have to be on the code to get this, right? Or how can I look at this documentation?
See, yeah, I mean, we should be in environment actually. Look at environment, then only we able to see. If you see, I mean, it will show. And if I come to dimensions and it will show dimension related parameters, it will change again. If I come
Hmm.
to this dimension group, it will change. What are the applicable? I mean, what are the available fields it will show?
So how would we know what to use, right?
Yeah.
Because
If you see, this is the view parameters like
Mhm.
extends and require and like field fields, dimension group, what we have here, dimension, how to define dimension, measure parameter, data table. These are supported by view level. View level. If you click here, if you want to know more about suggestion, you click on suggestions. You will go to we can look at documentation. Will give all what is the purpose of this I mean parameter. It will be like yeah. So, shall I continue? Hello.
Yeah, yeah. So I'm just thinking, like you say suggestions. How can I think that I should use suggestions? Like let's you disable suggestions for all type. The string suggestions of if you when someone uses one of those dimensions to filter a report.
Yeah, I'll show you with example that one. Here, for example, I'm selecting product ID here. Okay, and some count here. Just I want to filter it by product name. Okay. Just, yeah, I'm coming to here. Just I will select filter over here. If you see the filter name is added in the filters tab. Okay. If I click here means just it will here if you observe it is just this is scrolling. I mean like, it will show all the filter all the product names. And you can select any product and you can click on run button.
Yeah,
Just I have selected one product name. Just it will show the respective rows in the data tab. I should only one row. Maybe I select first. I showing one row. The suggestion purpose is like just I'm deleting this one. If you click here, it's showing list of items and list of names. Right. If you don't want to show that one, what I will give I will do is just I will give suggestions. No suggestions. No. Just I will refresh this page. It will not show any suggestions here.
Wait, it's still loading.
If you click here, it will not show anything. Previously, if I click here means it's showing some suggestions, right?
Yeah.
Drop down. Now it will
So
not show
it's
anything.
like something which is like saved, right? So it will keep on wiping it out, I think.
Oh, sorry, I missed you.
Well, if you enter something, it gets saved, right? It gets saved behind the scenes, and you type it. Okay, okay, I know what you're saying.
Yeah, I mean,
So all the
I just
product name you give, like first three characters, it will show everything with those characters.
yes, yes. Like
Okay.
if I give, it will not give any suggestions. Yeah. I mean, there is no purpose for this one. Actually, we should give suggestions as is. I mean, maybe in some cases we don't want any suggestions. Then we can give this. We can use these suggestions parameter. Never given yes here. If I refresh this one means if I give anything like a one, it should show. It will show related. I mean, unrelated product names here. Like which has one starts with one and which has one in the middle somewhere. Will show. So basically, if you don't want to show, I mean, any suggestions in the filter, for this specific view, we'll use this one. If you observe, just the same line where suggestions parameter is there. Left side, right side, change the quick help. This one change the tab. Only suggestions is coming here, showing yes or no. These two we can use. It will well, I guess. And also it has some quick description like filter suggestion will be disabled for this view. Yeah, it will show. But default suggestions is yes for this one. And if you don't want to show any suggestions, we'll use these suggestions. And this is only for string type of dimension, not for numbers. If you observe, this the cost is this is number, right? This suggestions is not applicable for this type number dimensions. Only for string dimensions it is applicable.
Okay.
Yeah, we discuss about field parameters here. Yeah, field parameters like the parameters which are under dimension and measure mostly comes under field parameters. This is dimension is one field, right, and measure is one field. The parameters which are under field, I mean dimension and measure, basically comes under field parameter. Like if you see, we have different different field parameters, group label and group item label, primary key, field required fields, and we have a number of parameters under dimension parameters. We'll go through most of these items, not every one, but most of the items which we use mostly. We'll go one by one. First one is like dimension. Like for this dimension we use to define a dimension. For example, if you want to create a new dimension using existing dimension, you want to create a if where is category here? you want to create a new dimension based on category, let's just what I will give, I will use dimension parameter here. Just I will
Yeah.
give category name. Category name I have given. Type I'm defining the string. I'm defining a string and SQL in SQL I should give the definition actually. For example, just I want to category. I want to display values in this category name only when category name equal to category equal to some. I should use case here. Case when this is anyway. This I discuss how to use our custom dimension, create custom dimension later. Just I want to tell what is the purpose of dimension here. Here, when case and category equal to some men, then only just I will rename it to category name. Then I want to display this values in this category field. Yes, null I want to display. Just I'm ending this statement. Means this SQL, I mean this SQL which works, if it is working this is same as our
Pick.
database.
Yeah.
This it is same as our dialect actually. So Oracle means we should use same syntax which is supports Oracle. If we are using some other DB means we should use same syntax. Like in this new dimension category main, I want to display category names only. It is I mean item name some okay. I mean some consider item names only when we have categories called main. In this kind of things we can define dimension. Just dimension parameter. It it's just basically to define a dimensions. Inside that we can have we can by default looker creates a table dimension which are in the table, and we need to if we need to add more dimensions, custom dimensions. We can use this dimension parameter to create new dimensions. Just we will define dimension and we will give dimension name. So that we will give type which type is string or number or date. That this kind of type we will give. In SQL statement we will use the actual condition what we want to use. This is our dimension, and this next one is dimension group. Dimension group we mostly use for date dimensions, time dimensions. Time. If you observe in our explore, if you see these dates are displayed with multiple fields like date, month,
Yeah.
quarter, time, by week and year. By default, looker displays all these five fields when we have date field in our DB. It will take the date field from our DB. It will create it will create all these. We don't have any fields in this
So
workspace.
is it like by default it creates all of those, or you have to create by yourself?
It will by default it will create this set. This created date is there. In the concern we
Is
have
there like,
created date.
let's
Sorry.
say if I want to create like previous day, previous month, previous year.
Those things we need to gather. By default, we have created here in our DB. Okay, what it will take is while importing data from DB, while creating view from DB, it will identify date fields. It will create a dimension group while importing into creating a view. It will take this all these fields like time, date, week, month, quarter, year. It will take by default. If you want to add more to these things like five fields it will raw anyway will not be displayed in the UI. Only these five fields will be displayed in the UI. You see date, month, quarter, time, week, year displayed here. Six fields displayed here. If you want to add more items to this like day of month, right?
Yeah.
Different fields that we can add. Build of year. All these fields we can add. Just here what I did is I have added two more fields. If I refresh this one, this next two fields is which I have added should be displayed. Yeah. Yeah, week of year and some day of month displaying here. These two fields just now I have added into dimension group. Because by default it will create this one. If you want to add previous, I mean, you want to see previous year, that we need to calculate actually. We need to calculate using the custom dimensions. Okay. We should use this created date. We should calculate. We see we don't have any option to print previous year like that. Only minutes, formats, and month, quarter of the year. These things are there only. The left right side. If you want to display previous year, other things, we need to calculate manually. Just we need to use this created date reference, and we should deduct 1 year or 1 month. This we need to do. If you use dimension group, it will group the all these fields which define time frame is displayed in the same subgroup.
Yeah.
If you create a subgroup with the name, created date, while naming also we should use like in dimension. For example, like, in our DB dimension name is like created date, right? Created date, but we should avoid using underscore date here. Just if I give created date here, we should remove this date from our dimension group name.
Mm-hmm.
If I'm refreshing this one. If you see the created date is coming actually. By default it will prefix I mean it will postfix date to this label which we have given this name which we have given in the view. If you observe here created date is coming. If you add any field also, you created created date month it will show like this. Well, we should avoid this uh, underscore date from our label. The refrigeration. Yeah, for each and every date field by default it is real. On top of it, if you want to add anything else means we should use. I mean, we should use. We should add these fields into our dimension group. And one more thing is like we are creating sets, right? Set parameter.
Mm-hmm.
Like in set par, if you want to display all the uh, uh, 5 date fields, this are deleted. If you want to display all the date fields, 5 date fields uh, in the group, we need to we'll use set, right? I'm use set name like order set. I'll give set name. Here what I should do, I need to use each and every field created underscore date, created underscore month, like that I should use. I should include all the fields which are available here. Like it will basically it will create five fields like for created underscore raw it will create one field, created underscore time under it will create one field, created underscore date it will create one field like that. For each and every field, for each and every time frame it will create one field. And if you that we can use in set individually, we should use that in set individually.